What's good, y'all? I'm finna try this here Charlie challenge. I keep hearing a lot on the internet that it's fake. I keep hearing that it's real. So if you're gonna find anything out up on the internet, you gotta try it yourself. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So I got my board. LOL, just kidding, it's a piece of paper. Got my pencils. And can't do this without God's holy word, of course. But without further ado, let's do this. Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you here? Charlie, what's good, my nigga? You up in this beer now? You gonna show yourself, or you ain't even real? Come on. Charlie, are you here? So as you can see, it's fake. Ain't no real Charlie. How people getting worked up over nothing. The Holy Bible. Ain't no Charlie. I don't know if this usually takes a while or if it just happens right off the bat. Charlie, are you here? Charlie! Yeah, Charlie boy. Come here, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. You can do it. Move the pencil. You hear, Bo? Charlie, are you here? My nigga Charlie, are you here? Or no? Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you here? Oh, hell no. Not today. Charlie, are you here? Well, of course you are. You just moved a dang pencil. Charlie, do you want to hurt me? Don't stop now. We into this right now. Charlie, do you want to hurt me? Okay. Alright, well, yeah, so keep your Bible in your hand. If you ain't got one, I guess you just SOL. This is so weird. Do I tell it goodbye, or... See, now, look at this. I'm shaking now. Alright. Yeah, so... Bye, Charlie.